Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are sitting in the new Opel Frontera. As you can see, we have the dual screen layout here in front of us, as well as the 3-spoke steering wheel. And the topic of today's video is how to reset the tire pressure monitoring system on this car. And it's actually pretty easy. So as you can see, here we have the button that you need to press. And now you go into driver assistant, press this. And now you can adjust a bunch of things, including the reset of TPMS, so the tire pressure monitoring system. Press this, and now, of course, first thing that you need to do is adjust the pressures of your tires before you do this. And then after doing that, you will just press yes here. And that's it, tire pressure registered. And you are good to go. So I hope this helps. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe, as there will be plenty of more to come with this car, and see you on the next video. Bye bye.